In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a meeting in Asana. We'll set up a clean, reliable workflow so every meeting has a clear agenda, owners, and follow-ups, all in one place. Start by heading to the Asana login page and sign in. Choose Continue with Google, then pick your Google account to authenticate. Once you're in, open the project where you manage your meetings or team workflow. Keeping all meeting tasks in a single project makes it easier to find history, spot patterns, and report on outcomes later. Create a new task for your upcoming meeting by selecting Add Task. Give it a clear, specific name so it's searchable at a glance, something like Weekly Sync, Marketing, or Client Check-in. Q1 Roadmap. Open the Task Details panel to organize everything neatly. Set a due date that matches the meeting date, and include a time if you know it. This drives reminders and helps your calendar stay aligned, reducing last-minute scramble. Next, add an assignee. Assign it to the meeting owner or facilitator so it's obvious who is responsible for preparing the agenda and running the session. Use the description field to provide context and expectations. List the meeting goal in one sentence, add any relevant links, and note what attendees should review beforehand. If you have a recurring format, paste your standard template here so you don't reinvent the wheel each time. Now structure your agenda using sections. Press Tab+N to add sections, and break the meeting into logical chunks like updates, decisions, and next steps. This keeps the conversation on track and helps you time box each portion, which is especially helpful for larger groups. As the conversation unfolds, capture deliverables as subtasks. Click Add Subtask and create one subtask per action item. Give each one a verb-based title so it's crystal clear. Finalize deck, share notes, or confirm budget. Assign each subtask to an owner and add a due date so nothing lingers. Subtasks make accountability visible and allow teammates to work independently without losing the thread. When you're done, your meeting task now holds the agenda, the context, and the follow-ups, everything you need in one place. Before you close Asana, scan the agenda sections to confirm you covered each item, and skim your subtasks to ensure every deliverable has an owner and a deadline. That's the process. Log in, open your project, add a task for the meeting, set the date and owner, outline the agenda with sections, and convert decisions into subtasks. Follow this flow each time and you'll run tighter meetings with clearer outcomes, and your team will thank you for it.